Hey guys, Logan Richardson, Season 1, Episode 11 of Flash. Here we go.
Previously on The Flash.
You opened your lab after Nora Allen's murder.
I don't normally have these. I'm not watching.
Central City before that?
Blah,
I thought it was two guys.
I can't look. I can't.
Look for me again.
I'm too good at guessing what's going to happen in the episode if I see that. Alright, we're good.
Everyone has a hero. Someone they look up to or admire. Someone they just wish they could be. Check. Got the keys. Mate. Give us some.
That was good.
Efficiently done, Mr. Allen.
We need a picture. Pretty sure rule number
picture?
1 of having a secret identity is not taking pictures of yourself in your super suit without a mask on. Big smiles. 3, 2, 1.
Does that count as a selfie?
Absolutely. Sick.
No way.
Oh, good.
He took the picture and was in the picture,
Out there.
It's my pleasure. Well done.
and it wasn't a selfie.
I have to say, it was a bit of a rush, feeling like
A hero. You're pretty good at it.
Little does he know.
You do realize the whole point of moving out is not being at home anymore, right?
Ha ha ha. I forgot a few things.
Is that a good scream or a bad scream?
Good. So good. I just got offered a job as a reporter at Central City Picture News.
That's awesome.
The editor's a fan of my blog.
That is amazing.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god. This man, how does... I don't get why he's acting injured. I can't walk. It's just, I can't get over it. It's just, I don't get it. What?
It's time to pay the piper.
Wait, is this a dream? Or is this like... I must have looked away for a second. Okay, that's very interesting. So it's him.
This feels like more than just a prank, Doctor.
Mm-hmm.
well, there are those who feel I did not suffer enough for the particle accelerated explosion of last year, and some of them
I don't understand how he was in two places at once, though.
Dr. Wells. Dr. Wells, are you okay?
Dr.
I don't get it.
I'm fine. A little chilly, otherwise I'm fine. Hello, Cisco. Make yourselves at home as best you can. I'm going to make a hotel reservation. His grandfather founded the company, his father expanded it, and Hartley here was set to inherit the throne.
What happened?
He came out to his parents. Old money, old values.
They were estranged when we met. Brilliant. I couldn't have built a particle accelerator without him.
Well, you guys have never even mentioned his name.
That's because Hartley had a challenging personality.
What she means is he was mostly a jerk, but every once in a while, he could be a dick.
Let's just say that Hartley, like many outliers, had trouble relating to his peers.
Yes, but he was always your favorite.
The chosen one.
The chosen one.
So if you two were so close, why would he talk to you? That sounds really great, West. Actually, any thoughts on a piece about the Flash? Something you haven't written about yet, something new?
No, not currently.
All right. Sally forth, everyone. Sally forth.
They hired her because of the Flash.
And since sound is expressed as a vibration, if the pitch of the sound matches the natural vibration frequency of an object, then...
Shatter.
So you're saying that can happen to anything, not just Flash?
Oh, yeah. I think it's absolutely what happened to the windows of Wells' house. He's using some kind of sonic technology.
Or he is the sonic technology.
This feeling that Wells is hiding something.
Oh, he is.
About what's going on with this Rathaway character.
Don't touch that. Joe, multiple 911 calls. Rathway Industries is under attack. Sector cars are en route.
Under attack?
Caitlin Snow, Cisco Ramon, Harrison Wells. I can hear the radio waves emanating from your suit. About 1900 megahertz? Is that them on the other end listening? Are they gonna hear you die? No. They're gonna hear you get your ass kicked. Okay. I know his secret.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Being scooped up by a guy clad in head-to-toe leather is a long-time fantasy of mine, so thanks. Give us a minute. See you soon, Cisco. Doubt it.
Doubt it.
Contagiant clamat.
Nemo timendo sum pervenit loco.
God, I wish I'd taken a language in high school.
How did you know we were working with the Flash?
I mean, I did.
I wrote a hexagonal algorithm.
And, oh no, not in college. I thought I did in college. No,
With theoretical exit trajectory.
never
In
mind.
other words, every time he ran from the scene of a crime, he ran in this general direction.
You are brilliant.
I almost forgot. I told your pet I know your deep, dark secret, Harrison. Have fun letting him in on that one.
I assume you were all listening. Hartley was telling the truth. I have not been honest with you. With any of you.
Is he gonna stand up? That would be hilarious.
The accelerator. Everything we could learn, that everything we could achieve, that all of that simply outweighed that risk.
Oh, come on. How is that a deep, dark secret?
The next time you choose to put our lives and the lives of the people that we love at risk,
It's not as deep and dark.
heads up.
Oh, come on. It's the best he could come up with at the time. Which is probably, you know what? It's probably not even a lie.
Caitlin and Cisco stood by you.
So, I'm screwed.
No, look. If this Mason guy doesn't see what a talented journalist you are, then he's probably a lousy writer.
He won the Pulitzer.
It's so.
Good for him.
Thanks, Barry. Having someone believe in me, it's a small, really, really big thing.
A small, really big thing.
Dr. Wells, there's been a pipeline breach.
Dude!
Stay here.
I can't believe it's... I mean, I just didn't know he had that power. Oh. Oh, he's got problems with his power. Yikes. I just don't understand how he was in two places at once. How he was getting his ass kicked by him. Like... What?
Oh. Oh, man. Oh. Caitlin.
Hey, she's fine.
You need to rest. You have a concussion.
Oh! You do? Ugh.
Please tell me you got him.
I've heard they suck.
I guess the attack
Concussions.
this company was a fake out, so we'd catch him.
And give him direct access to Star Labs.
I've got my head hit multiple times really hard. I played football, so like,
This is
never
only
got a
I shouldn't have
concussion.
left
This is
before-
no one's fault but mine. I earn the blame. I'm not interested in sharing it. Hartley. Doesn't think I paid for my crimes. He's right. He won't stop until I do.
Ouch.
Where are you going?
To earn back your trust.
Earn back our trust by getting up.
Now, what were you doing in my accelerator? I was warned by a former colleague, a friend, and I chose to ignore the warning, and in so doing, I let down all of you. As a new friend pointed out, I failed this city. I failed this city, and I
You have failed.
those who trusted me the most. By coming forward today, it's my hope I'm taking the first step toward regaining that trust. Your trust as well.
Wait, is that the secret he knew? I guess it was the secret he knew.
Do you have any intention of rebuilding the particle accelerator?
Miss West, do you have a question for me?
What was that?
Gumption.
Has Hartley made contact yet?
What makes you so sure he will?
Because he's Hartley and he won't have the last word.
Cisco, you should be resting.
The answer to why Hartley fooled us into catching him is in here, and I'm gonna find it.
Your brilliant brain is suffering right now. You need to relax.
You have nothing to prove.
Not true.
Do you know why I hired you, Cisco?
With your precious Scarlet Knight.
Dang.
While I take out a few pawns.
All right, Cisco, where do I go? I can't trace the signal. He could be sending his messages from anywhere.
Cisco, scan for seismic activity. If Hartley's using sonic blast, the vibrations could cause tremors.
Ooh. What are you doing? Causing terror?
Look, over here. Quake activity, but no fault.
Quake.
The Keystone Cleveland Dam.
Oh my.
You need to disarm Hartley immediately. Immediately. Do you hear me? He is a master of distraction. He is a master of hiding his true end game.
He looks like Anakin. Like evil Anakin.
Aha, what?
I figured out what Hartley stole from Star Labs, why he let himself get caught.
Which brings us to the uh-oh.
He has all the data on Barry's molecular scans.
Why would he want that?
Hartley is about to hear something he was not expecting. A sound wave that will meet the frequency of and destroy his weapons.
Huh.
You don't seem so special.
That's really
anymore.
clever. All this is really,
How easy
really,
it was to
really
bring you
smart
down.
shit.
I wonder if Harrison will even miss you.
Checkmate.
Certainly in front of an entire city, but also my closest friends.
I thought he knew, like, about him, you know, like, about
So I
him.
hope one day to restore your trust and faith in me.
I just can't believe it. How was he in two places at once? And I get it, super speed, but he looked differently in both of those places.
Not every hero wears a mask.
I don't
Some heroes
understand.
save the day in the simplest of ways. By just being there for us. Or letting us know we're believed in.
Warning, tachyon output has passed acceptable tolerance range. Continued exposure is not recommended.
Increase to maximum, Gideon.
Increasing to maximum, Doctor. Speed force absorption at 35% and rising.
I'm not stabilizing. I can't hang on to my speed. It comes and goes and I cannot control it. Gideon, for how much longer is the tachyonic device viable?
Calculations inconclusive. I'm sorry, Doctor.
Well, that's okay, Gideon. This was only meant to be a temporary fix. The real end game is almost here.
In game. Wow. Okay. That was a lot. That was a lot of information. So he knows about Ronnie, but he thinks we're gonna let him out. We might have no choice. So this definitely confirms we already got, the glimpse of the suit, but we hadn't seen him use his super speed, so it was hard to judge if what was going on there. Is he is it him, or is he holding it for someone, or is there someone else? How was he in two places at once? There's so many questions I still have, because he was in two places at once, but unless it's him, unless they're both him, and it's a future, like I said, it might be a future Barry, maybe it's just a future him. I really don't know. I'm getting a headache just trying to think of it. I'm I got nothing. I really do. So I'm just gonna sit back and wait. We're gonna figure this out. Yeah. And I'm very glad that they're investigating him. They're gonna figure something out. Or find something. Somewhere. You have to. He's a smart man, but he's not smart enough. He's got to mess up. Nobody's perfect. It has to happen. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you have not already. Arrow is coming up in a few hours. I'll see you all next time.